Hello students, today we are continuing the online series of web classes. Today we will be starting a new topic, chapter 4 determinants. Chapter 4 determinants. Now first let us take the definition. The definition of a determinant. If there is a square matrix A, then it should be of the order n, a square matrix. Then we can associate a unique number associated to that matrix A. So, what is the meaning of a unique number? For example, you must have seen the motor vehicles. They have one nameplate in the front. The nameplate contains a unique number associated with that vehicle. So, we can identify each motor vehicle by its unique number. So, when you take that analogy to square matrices, we have here a unique number which can be associated to a square matrix of order n. So, the determinant is nothing but a unique number associated with the square matrix n. Now, that is the definition. The determinant is denoted as line A line. Means its symbol represents the determinant. You must have seen it as the modulus symbol. Now here, when you take the determinant of a matrix A, we are taking determinant of a matrix A. This is read as determinant of matrix A. When we take modulus, we take the modulus for a number or an element. For a square matrix of order n, we will be taking the determinant. If you see this symbol for a matrix, it is the determinant. If you see the symbol for a number or element, it is the modulus. Okay, I hope you understand the difference. Next remark, only square matrices have determinants. Only square matrices have determinants, goes by the definition. Okay, only square matrices have determinants. Next, we are finding methods to determine the determinant of a matrix. Now, let us find the determinant of matrix of order 1. Let A be a matrix of order 1. Then the determinant of A is said to be equal to A. That is, determinant of A equal to A. Now, if a matrix contains only one element, the determinant of that matrix is that element itself. For example, if the matrix A is 2, one element is there, only 2, 1 cross 1 means only order 1, then the determinant of A equal to 2, that element itself. Okay, that is about the determinant of square matrix of order 1. Next we will go to determinant of matrix of order 2. Now look here, determinant of matrix of order 2 means it contains 2 rows and 2 columns. So let A be equal to A, B, C, D. Now, how to find the determinant of matrix? We can find the determinant of the matrix. Now look here, if this is the matrix A, B, C, D. The determinant of A is, you multiply the diagonal, A into D, A into D minus, you multiply the other diagonal, B into C. So what is the determinant of a 2 cross 2 matrix? You multiply the diagonal AD minus, you multiply the other diagonal BC. So AD minus BC. So that is nothing but determinant of a square matrix of order 2. As simple as that. So we will take one example. We will do exercise 4.1. First question. We have to find the determinant of 2, 4, minus 5, minus 1. Now this is the determinant. How to find the determinant of square matrix of order 2? You multiply the diagonal and subtract. Now first this into this, 2 into minus 1. So determinant is 2 into minus 1. Then minus, multiply the other diagonal. Minus 5 into 4. Minus 5 into 4. Minus 5 into 4. So it is minus 2 minus 5 into 4 is minus 20. Then minus of minus is plus, so minus 2 plus 20 is plus 18. So this is the determinant. So this is the determinant. Next question, second question. Find the determinant of cos theta minus sin theta, sin theta and cos theta. How to find the determinant? First diagonal, multiply the diagonal minus the other diagonal. So it is cos theta into cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Now minus sin theta into minus sin theta. Now cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta minus sin theta into minus sin theta is minus into minus is plus, sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. So it is cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. So that is the determinant. Done. Okay. Next we will do the seventh question. Find the values of x if determinant of this matrix equal to determinant of this. Now we will take the determinant. How to take the determinant? We multiply first diagonal minus the other diagonal. So 2 into 1 minus 5 into 4 equal to, here how to take the determinant? 2x into x, multiply the diagonal 2x into x minus the other diagonal 6 into 4. So this becomes 2 into 1 is 2 minus 5 was 20, which is equal to 2x into x is 2x square minus 6 was 24. So this becomes 2 minus 20 is minus 18. Minus 18 equal to 2x square minus 24. Take minus 24 to the other side. So again 2x square equal to minus 18 plus 24 is equal to 6. So 2x square equal to 6. If 2x square equal to 6, then x square equal to 3. If x square equal to 3 means x equal to plus or minus root 3. If x square equal to 3, then x equal to plus or minus root 3. So this is the answer. Next, we move to the second question. The determinant of this equal to determinant of this. We have to find the value of x. So find the determinant here. What is the determinant? Multiply the diagonal 2 into 5, then minus 4 into 3, which is equal to, here multiply the diagonal x into 5 minus 2x into 3. So multiply now. 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 12. 5x into x is 5x minus 2x into 3 is 6x. So 10 minus 12 is minus 2. 5x minus x is minus x. So x equal to 2. X equal to 2 is the answer. Next question, we have the determinant of x to 18x equal to 6 to 18 6. We have to find the value of x. Now similarly take the determinant here, x into x minus 18 into 2 36. Now take the determinant here, 6 into 6 minus 18 into 2. So this becomes x into x is x square minus 18 to the 36. 6 6 are 36, 36 minus 18 to the 36. So it is 36 minus 36. So 36 minus 36 is 0. So x square minus 36 equal to 0. Which implies x square equal to 36. Which implies x square minus 36 equal to 0. Which implies x square equal to 36. Which implies x equal to plus or minus 6. So this is the answer.